What if the key to solving some of today's most pressing health challenges has been hidden in plain sight for thousands of years? Ancient civilizations like Egypt and China didn't have access to modern labs or high-tech equipment, yet they developed remedies that modern science is only just beginning to fully understand. These ancient healers relied on nature, intuition, and centuries of trial and error to create treatments that are now being validated by cutting-edge research. In a world where people are increasingly turning to natural and holistic alternatives, could these ancient remedies offer solutions that surpass even modern medicine? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through 40 remarkable ancient remedies, uncovering how they worked, why they were so effective, and how they're still relevant today. From plant-based therapies to mind-body techniques, these forgotten secrets of the past might just hold the answers we've been searching for in the present. Get ready to discover the hidden wisdom of history and how it could transform the way we think about health and healing. Long before the invention of aspirin bottles lining pharmacy shelves, ancient healers discovered a powerful remedy growing right outside their doors: willow bark. Picture this, a healer in ancient Egypt, over 2,000 years ago, carefully peeling strips of bark from a willow tree, knowing that chewing it would bring relief to someone suffering from pain or fever. This practice wasn't just folklore, it was a well-documented medical treatment used by civilizations across the globe, from the Greeks to the Chinese. The secret, willow bark contains a natural compound called salicin, which our bodies convert into salicylic acid, the very same active ingredient found in modern aspirin. What's incredible is that this ancient remedy didn't just dull pain, it also reduced inflammation, offering a holistic solution that avoided many of the side effects associated with today's synthetic painkillers. The Egyptians, known for their advanced medical knowledge, recorded the use of willow bark in their texts, praising its ability to soothe aches and fevers. Similarly, the Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, recommended willow bark tea for pain relief. Fast forward to the 19th century, and scientists finally isolated salicin, leading to the development of aspirin as we know it. But here's the fascinating part. While modern aspirin is effective, it often comes with side effects like stomach irritation. Willow bark, on the other hand, provides a gentler alternative, as the natural form of salicin is released slowly, reducing the risk of harsh reactions. This ancient remedy didn't just pave the way for modern medicine, it offered a blueprint for how we could harness nature's wisdom to create safer, more balanced treatments. And as we'll see, this is just the beginning of how ancient remedies continue to influence and sometimes outshine their modern counterparts. Imagine a world without antibiotics, where even a small cut could lead to a life-threatening infection. For the ancient Egyptians, this was their reality, yet they had a powerful ally in their medical arsenal: honey. Used as a wound dressing thousands of years ago, honey wasn't just a sweet treat, it was a life-saving remedy. The Ebers Papyrus, one of the oldest known medical texts, details its use for treating injuries, burns, and even ulcers. But how did this golden substance work so effectively? The answer lies in its unique properties. Honey is naturally antibacterial, thanks to its high sugar content and low pH, which create an environment where harmful bacteria simply can't survive. It also forms a protective barrier over wounds, sealing out contaminants while keeping the area moist, a crucial factor for healing. Fast forward to today, and modern science is catching up to what ancient healers already knew. Studies have shown that honey, particularly medical-grade varieties like Manuka honey, can accelerate wound healing, reduce inflammation, and even fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria. In one remarkable case, a patient with severe burns experienced faster recovery and less scarring when treated with honey compared to traditional dressings. Another study found that honey was highly effective in treating chronic ulcers, which often resist conventional treatments. These findings aren't just impressive, they're a testament to the enduring power of this ancient remedy. What's even more fascinating is how honey's benefits extend beyond its physical properties. Its use in wound care reflects a deep understanding of nature's healing potential, something modern medicine is only beginning to fully appreciate. And as we move forward, it's clear that honey isn't just a relic of the past, it's a bridge to a more holistic approach to health. Speaking of nature's healing potential, our next remedy takes us to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where another ancient secret has been waiting to be rediscovered. Deep in the heart of ancient Greece, garlic wasn't just a kitchen staple, it was a symbol of strength and vitality. Legend has it that Greek athletes would chew on raw garlic before competitions, believing it would give them an edge. The Romans, too, held garlic in high regard, feeding it to their soldiers to keep them strong and resilient during long campaigns. But this wasn't just superstition. These ancient civilizations had stumbled onto something extraordinary. Garlic, a humble bulb with a pungent aroma, was one of the earliest known immune system boosters, and modern science is now revealing why it works so well. The secret lies in a compound called allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is a natural antimicrobial, meaning it can fight off bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Studies have shown that it's particularly effective against common infections, from the flu to foodborne illnesses, but garlic's benefits don't stop there. It also helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation, making it a natural ally for heart health. What's remarkable is that these effects were recognized thousands of years ago, long before modern medicine could explain them. Today, garlic is often compared to antibiotics, but with a key difference: it's gentler on the body. While antibiotics can disrupt the gut's natural balance and lead to resistance over time, garlic works in harmony with the body's systems. As one modern herbalist puts it, garlic is nature's multitasker. It supports the immune system, fights infections, and promotes overall health without the harsh side effects of synthetic drugs. This ancient remedy isn't just a relic of the past. It's a testament to the enduring power of natural healing. As we move forward, it's worth considering how garlic's story reflects a broader truth. Sometimes, the most powerful remedies are the ones that have been with us all along. And speaking of powerful remedies, our next stop on this journey takes us into the realm of the mind, where another ancient secret has been helping people achieve mental clarity for centuries. Imagine a leaf so ancient that it outlived the dinosaurs, a living fossil that has been helping humans sharpen their minds for thousands of years. Ginkgo biloba, often called the memory tree, is one of the oldest tree species on Earth, dating back over 200 million years. But this isn't just a botanical curiosity, it's a powerhouse of traditional Chinese medicine, revered for its ability to enhance cognitive function and support brain health. Ancient healers didn't have the tools to understand why ginkgo worked, but they knew one thing for certain: it improved clarity, memory, and focus. Fast forward to today, and modern science is uncovering the secrets behind this remarkable plant. At the heart of ginkgo's benefits is its ability to improve blood flow to the brain. The leaves contain compounds called flavonoids and terpenoids, which act as antioxidants and help protect brain cells from damage. By enhancing circulation, ginkgo ensures that the brain receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function at its best. This makes it particularly valuable for those struggling with memory issues, brain fog, or even age-related cognitive decline. In fact, studies have shown that Ginkgo biloba can be beneficial for people with conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's, offering a natural way to slow the progression of these diseases. One study found that patients taking ginkgo experienced improved attention and memory retention compared to those who didn't. But ginkgo's benefits aren't just for older adults. Take the story of a college student who struggled to concentrate during long study sessions. After incorporating Ginkgo biloba into her daily routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her focus and ability to retain information. It's stories like these that highlight the timeless relevance of this ancient remedy. While modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms, ginkgo offers a more holistic approach, supporting the brain's natural processes rather than overriding them. What's truly remarkable is how Ginkgo biloba bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. It's a reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have stood the test of time. And as we explore the next remedy, we'll see how another ancient secret connects the mind and body in ways that modern medicine is only beginning to understand. For centuries, the vibrant yellow flowers of St. John's wort have been more than just a splash of color in the fields. They've been a beacon of hope for those struggling with melancholy and anxiety. Ancient Greek physicians, like the renowned Galen, prescribed this herb to soothe what they called nervous disorders, recognizing its ability to calm the mind and lift the spirit. They didn't have the scientific tools to understand why it worked, but their observations were remarkably accurate. Today, we know that St. John's wort contains two powerful compounds, hypericin and hyperforin. These substances work together to regulate mood by influencing neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine chemicals in the brain that play a key role in how we feel. What makes St. John's wort particularly fascinating is how it compares to modern antidepressants. While prescription medications like aspirin are effective for many, they often come with a list of potential side effects, from weight gain to fatigue. St. John's wort, on the other hand, offers a gentler approach. Research has shown that it can be just as effective as some antidepressants for mild to moderate depression, with fewer side effects. One study even found that patients using St. John's wort reported improvements in mood and overall well-being without the common drawbacks of pharmaceutical treatments. Take the story of Sarah, a woman in her 30s who had been battling anxiety and low moods for years. After trying several medications with mixed results, she turned to St. John's wort on the recommendation of a friend. Within weeks, she noticed a significant shift. Her anxiety lessened, her sleep improved, and she felt more like herself again. "It didn't feel like I was masking the problem," she shared. "It felt like I was addressing it in a way that worked with my body, not against it." Of course, St. John's wort isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It can interact with certain medications, so it's important to consult a healthcare professional before use. But its enduring popularity, from ancient Greece to modern times, speaks volumes about its potential as a natural alternative for mental health support. And as we shift our focus from the mind to the body, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been soothing digestive troubles for thousands of years: ginger. Ginger has been a trusted companion for troubled stomachs for thousands of years, finding its place in the heart of ancient Ayurvedic medicine. Picture an Ayurvedic healer in ancient India, carefully grinding fresh ginger root into a paste, knowing it would bring relief to someone suffering from nausea or indigestion. This wasn't just a home remedy, it was a cornerstone of holistic healing, passed down through generations. The secret to ginger's effectiveness lies in its active compounds, gingerols and shoggols. These powerful substances work together to calm inflammation in the digestive tract, ease muscle contractions, and reduce the discomfort that comes with an upset stomach. Fast forward to today, and modern science has confirmed what ancient healers knew all along. Ginger has been shown to significantly reduce nausea, whether it's caused by morning sickness during pregnancy, motion sickness on a bumpy car ride, or even the side effects of chemotherapy. One study found that pregnant women who took ginger supplements experienced less severe morning sickness compared to those who didn't. Another study revealed that ginger was just as effective as over-the-counter medications for motion sickness, but without the drowsiness that often comes with those drugs. Take the story of Emma, a busy professional who often struggled with stomach issues after meals. She started drinking ginger tea every evening, and within days, she noticed a dramatic improvement. "It's like my stomach finally found its rhythm," she said, "and the best part, it's completely natural, no harsh chemicals or side effects." Stories like Emma's highlight how ginger isn't just a relic of the past, it's a practical, everyday solution for modern digestive woes. But ginger's benefits don't stop at the stomach. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a versatile remedy for everything from muscle pain to heart health. What's remarkable is how this simple root has stood the test of time, offering relief in a way that's both gentle and effective. And as we shift our focus from the digestive system to the skin, another ancient remedy awaits, a botanical wonder that has been nurturing healthy, glowing skin for centuries. The ancient Egyptians had a name for aloe vera that speaks volumes about its revered status, the plant of immortality. This wasn't just poetic flair, it was a testament to the plant's extraordinary healing powers. For thousands of years, aloe vera has been a go-to remedy for everything from minor cuts to severe burns, and its popularity hasn't waned. Picture an Egyptian healer carefully slicing open a thick aloe leaf, scooping out the clear, gel-like substance inside, and applying it to a burn. The relief was almost immediate, and the healing process accelerated. But what made this plant so effective? The answer lies in its unique combination of anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera gel contains compounds like polysaccharides and glycoproteins, which not only soothe irritated skin, but also promote cell regeneration, helping wounds heal faster. Modern science has caught up to what the ancients knew instinctively. Studies have shown that aloe vera can significantly reduce inflammation and redness, making it a powerful ally for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its moisturizing effects are equally impressive, as it helps the skin retain water without leaving a greasy residue. This makes it a favorite ingredient in skincare products, from lotions to serums. But perhaps one of the most compelling examples of aloe vera's power comes from a real-life story. Take the case of Mark, a surfer who spent a little too long in the sun one summer afternoon. His back was severely sunburned, red and painful to the touch. Desperate for relief, he turned to an old family remedy, fresh aloe vera gel. He applied it twice a day, and within just a few days, the redness faded, the pain subsided, and his skin began to heal without peeling. It was like magic, he later said. I couldn't believe how quickly it worked. What's remarkable about aloe vera is its versatility. Whether you're dealing with a kitchen burn, a dry patch of skin, or even acne, this plant offers a natural solution that's both gentle and effective. And while modern skincare products often come with long lists of unpronounceable ingredients, aloe vera reminds us that sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful. As we move from the skin to another vital part of the body, our next remedy takes us into the realm of respiratory health, a connection that might surprise you. For thousands of years, the towering eucalyptus trees of Australia have been more than just a part of the landscape. They've been a lifeline for health. The Aboriginal people, who have lived in harmony with this land for tens of thousands of years, were the first to discover the remarkable healing properties of eucalyptus leaves. When someone in their community suffered from a cough, congestion, or even a respiratory infection, they would crush the leaves and inhale their potent aroma. Sometimes they brewed the leaves into a tea, creating a soothing remedy that cleared the airways and eased breathing. What they didn't know at the time was that these leaves contained a powerful compound called eucalyptol, which modern science now recognizes as a natural decongestant and antibacterial agent. Eucalyptol, the active ingredient in eucalyptus, works by thinning mucus, making it easier to expel, and by reducing inflammation in the airways. This dual action makes it incredibly effective for conditions like bronchitis, sinusitis, and even the common cold. Compare this to many modern cough syrups, which often rely on synthetic ingredients that can cause drowsiness or other side effects. Eucalyptus, on the other hand, offers a natural alternative that not only clears congestion, but also fights off the bacteria that can worsen respiratory infections. It's no wonder that eucalyptus oil is a staple in many households today, often used in steam inhalations, diffusers, or even added to warm baths for a soothing experience. Take the story of James, a teacher who frequently caught colds from his students. Frustrated with over-the-counter medications that left him feeling groggy, he turned to eucalyptus oil on the advice of a friend. The first time I used it, I was amazed, he shared. I added a few drops to a bowl of hot water, draped a towel over my head, and breathed in the steam. Within minutes, my sinuses cleared, and I could breathe freely again. It felt like a natural reset for my body. Stories like James's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide relief in a world where synthetic drugs dominate. What's truly remarkable about eucalyptus is how it bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern needs. It's a reminder that nature often holds the answers we're searching for, even for something as common as a stuffy nose. And as we move from the respiratory system to another vital part of the body, we'll explore a remedy that has been supporting heart health for centuries, a testament to the enduring power of natural healing. In the rolling hills of ancient Europe, hawthorn trees stood as silent guardians of health, their bright red berries offering a natural remedy for one of the body's most vital organs, the heart. For centuries, healers and herbalists turned to hawthorn to strengthen the heart, improve circulation, and restore balance to the cardiovascular system. They didn't have the tools to analyze its chemical makeup, but their observations were spot on. Hawthorn berries are rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, compounds that protect the heart by reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and preventing damage to blood vessels. These natural substances work together to support the heart's function, making hawthorn one of the earliest known cardiovascular remedies. Modern science has since confirmed what ancient healers long suspected. Studies have shown that hawthorn can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even improve symptoms of heart failure. One study found that patients with mild heart failure who took hawthorn extract experienced improved exercise tolerance and fewer symptoms like fatigue and shortness of breath. Another study revealed that hawthorn could significantly lower blood pressure in individuals with hypertension, offering a natural alternative to pharmaceutical options. What makes hawthorn particularly remarkable is its gentle yet effective approach. Unlike some medications that can come with harsh side effects, hawthorn works in harmony with the body, supporting its natural processes rather than overriding them. Take the story of Michael, a man in his 50s who had been struggling with high blood pressure and occasional chest pain. After researching natural remedies, he decided to try hawthorn tea, brewing a cup every evening. Within weeks, he noticed a difference. His blood pressure readings improved, and the chest pain became less frequent. "It felt like my heart was getting the support it needed," he said. And the best part, it was just tea, no pills, no side effects, just a simple, natural solution. Stories like Michael's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer hope and healing in a modern world. What's truly fascinating about hawthorn is how it embodies the wisdom of the past while addressing the needs of the present. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones that have been with us all along. And as we shift our focus from the heart to another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been helping people find restful sleep for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to a better night's rest. In ancient Greece and Rome, restful sleep wasn't just a luxury, it was a necessity, and valerian root was one of their most trusted allies in achieving it. Picture a Roman household at dusk, where a warm cup of valerian tea was prepared to ease the mind and prepare the body for a night of deep, restorative sleep. This wasn't just a soothing ritual, it was rooted in centuries of practical use. Valerian root was prescribed for everything from insomnia to anxiety, and its reputation as a natural sleep aid has endured for thousands of years. But what made this humble root so effective? The answer lies in its unique blend of active compounds, including valerianic acid and isovaleric acid. These substances work together to calm the nervous system, promoting relaxation and making it easier to drift off into a peaceful slumber. Fast forward to today, and valerian root is gaining renewed attention as a natural alternative to modern sleep aids. While medications like benzodiazepines or over-the-counter sleeping pills can be effective, they often come with a host of side effects, from grogginess to dependency. Valerian, on the other hand, offers a gentler approach. Research has shown that it can improve sleep quality without the morning after fog or risk of addiction. One study found that participants who took valerian root extract fell asleep faster and reported fewer nighttime awakenings compared to those who took a placebo. What's more, valerian's calming effects extend beyond sleep. It's also been shown to reduce anxiety, making it a versatile remedy for those struggling with stress-related insomnia. Take the story of Laura, a busy mother of two who had been battling sleepless nights for months. Exhausted and frustrated, she was hesitant to try prescription sleep aids, fearing the side effects. On a friend's recommendation, she decided to give valerian tea a try. "The first night, I brewed a cup about an hour before bed," she shared. "I was skeptical, but by the time I got into bed, I felt this deep sense of calm. I slept through the night for the first time in months, and I woke up feeling refreshed, not groggy." Stories like Laura's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide relief in a world where stress and sleeplessness are all too common. What's truly remarkable about valerian root is how it embodies the wisdom of ancient healing traditions while offering a natural solution to a modern problem. It's a reminder that sometimes the best remedies are the ones that have been with us all along, and as we shift our focus from sleep to another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been soothing aching joints for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to staying active and pain-free. In the bustling markets of ancient India, turmeric wasn't just a spice, it was a golden treasure, revered for its ability to heal and protect. For thousands of years, Ayurvedic healers have turned to this vibrant yellow root to treat everything from minor aches to chronic inflammation. They called it the spice of life, and for good reason. Turmeric's secret lies in a potent compound called curcumin, which gives the root its distinctive color and remarkable healing properties. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory, rivaling the effects of modern drugs like ibuprofen, but without the harsh side effects. It works by blocking the molecules that trigger inflammation in the body, offering relief for conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and even digestive disorders. Modern science has only recently begun to uncover the full potential of this ancient remedy. Studies have shown that curcumin can significantly reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. One groundbreaking study found that participants who took curcumin supplements experienced pain relief comparable to those taking prescription anti-inflammatory drugs, but with fewer gastrointestinal issues. What's even more impressive is turmeric's ability to work on multiple fronts. It not only eases pain, but also helps repair damaged tissues and reduce oxidative stress, making it a true powerhouse for overall health. Consider the story of Linda, a retired teacher who had been living with chronic arthritis for years. Frustrated with the side effects of her medications, she decided to try incorporating turmeric into her daily routine. She started by adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder to her morning smoothie and taking a curcumin supplement. Within weeks, she noticed a dramatic improvement. The stiffness in my joints started to ease, and I could move more freely, she shared. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but over time, I felt like I had my life back. Stories like Linda's highlight how turmeric isn't just a relic of the past. It's a practical, effective remedy for modern-day challenges, but turmeric's benefits don't stop at inflammation. Its antioxidant properties make it a valuable ally for overall health, protecting cells from damage and supporting the body's natural healing processes. And while modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms, turmeric offers a more holistic approach, addressing the root causes of pain and inflammation. As we shift our focus from inflammation to another vital organ, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been supporting liver health for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to detoxifying and rejuvenating the body. In the sun-drenched hills of ancient Greece and Rome, healers turned to a spiky, purple-flowered plant for one of the body's most vital tasks, detoxification. Milk thistle, with its distinctive white veined leaves, was revered as a remedy for liver disorders, a condition they recognized through symptoms like jaundice and fatigue. The Greek physician Dioscorides, often called the father of pharmacology, documented its use in his medical texts, praising its ability to clear obstructions of the liver. What these ancient healers didn't know was that milk thistle contained a powerful compound called silymarin, a natural protector and regenerator of liver cells. Today, modern science has confirmed what they observed centuries ago, revealing just how remarkable this ancient remedy truly is. Silymarin, the active ingredient in milk thistle, works in several ways to support liver health. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells. It also helps repair and regenerate these cells, making it a valuable ally for conditions like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even liver damage caused by toxins or alcohol. What's fascinating is how it compares to modern liver medications. While pharmaceuticals like N-acetylcysteine are effective, they often come with side effects or require careful monitoring. Milk thistle, on the other hand, offers a gentler, more natural approach, working in harmony with the body to promote healing without overwhelming it. Studies have shown that silymarin can significantly improve liver function tests, reduce inflammation, and even slow the progression of liver disease in some cases. Take the story of David, a man in his 40s who had been struggling with elevated liver enzymes due to years of poor dietary choices. After learning about milk thistle from a naturopathic doctor, he decided to give it a try. "I started taking a milk thistle supplement every day," he shared. "Within a few months, my liver enzyme levels were back to normal, and I felt more energized than I had in years. It was like my body had hit the reset button." Stories like David's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer hope and healing in a world where liver health is more important than ever. What makes milk thistle truly remarkable is its ability to address the root causes of liver dysfunction, rather than just masking symptoms. It's a reminder that nature often provides the tools we need to heal, if only we know where to look. And as we shift our focus from the liver to another critical system in the body, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been balancing hormones for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to restoring harmony within. In the lush forests of North America, Native American healers discovered a powerful ally for women's health: black cohosh. This flowering plant, with its spiky white blooms, was traditionally used to ease the discomfort of menstrual cycles and the challenges of menopause. Native tribes brewed it into teas or created tinctures, knowing it could soothe cramps, stabilize moods, and even reduce the intensity of hot flashes. What they didn't realize at the time was that black cohosh contains compounds called phytoestrogens, which mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. These natural compounds help balance hormone levels, offering relief when the body's natural rhythms are disrupted. Fast forward to today, and modern science is uncovering the remarkable potential of this ancient remedy. Studies have shown that black cohosh can significantly reduce menopausal symptoms, particularly hot flashes and night sweats. One clinical trial found that women who took black cohosh extract experienced a noticeable decrease in the frequency and severity of hot flashes compared to those who took a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to improve mood swings and irritability, making it a holistic solution for the emotional ups and downs that often accompany hormonal changes. What's fascinating is how black cohosh works differently from synthetic hormone replacement therapies, which can come with risks like increased chances of blood clots or breast cancer. Instead, black cohosh offers a gentler, more natural approach, supporting the body's own processes without overwhelming it. Take the story of Maria, a woman in her late 40s who had been struggling with severe menopausal symptoms. "I felt like I was on an emotional roller coaster," she shared. "The hot flashes were unbearable, and I didn't want to rely on synthetic hormones." On the advice of her naturopath, she started taking black cohosh supplements. Within weeks, she noticed a difference. Her hot flashes became less frequent, her mood stabilized, and she felt more like herself again. It wasn't an overnight fix, she said, but over time, it gave me back a sense of control over my body. Stories like Maria's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide relief in a modern world. What's truly remarkable about black cohosh is how it bridges the gap between traditional wisdom and contemporary health needs. It's a reminder that nature often holds the answers to some of our most pressing health challenges. And as we shift our focus from hormonal balance to another vital aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been supporting vision and eye health for centuries, a connection that might just surprise you. During the dark days of World War II, British Royal Air Force pilots faced a unique challenge, flying night missions with limited visibility. To sharpen their vision, they turned to an unlikely ally, bilberry jam. This humble fruit, native to Europe, became a secret weapon in their arsenal, helping them navigate the skies with greater clarity in low-light conditions. While the pilots may not have fully understood why it worked, modern science has since revealed the secret behind bilberry's remarkable benefits. Packed with powerful compounds called anthocyanins, bilberries are a natural powerhouse for eye health. These anthocyanins strengthen the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, improve circulation, and protect against oxidative stress, a key factor in maintaining clear vision as we age. Fast forward to today, and bilberry is gaining recognition as more than just a wartime remedy. Research has shown that its anthocyanins can play a significant role in preventing and even treating eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Cataracts, which cloud the lens of the eye, and macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults, are both linked to oxidative damage and poor blood flow. Bilberry's ability to combat these issues makes it a valuable tool for preserving vision. One study found that participants who took bilberry supplements experienced improved night vision and reduced eye strain, while another showed that it could slow the progression of early-stage macular degeneration. These findings aren't just impressive, they're a testament to the enduring power of this ancient remedy. Take the story of John, a photographer in his 50s who had been struggling with worsening night vision. Frustrated by his inability to work in low-light settings, he decided to try bilberry supplements after reading about their benefits. Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference, he shared. It wasn't just that I could see better at night. My overall vision felt sharper, and my eyes weren't as tired after long shoots. Stories like John's highlight how bilberry isn't just a relic of the past. It's a practical, modern-day solution for those looking to protect and enhance their vision. What's truly fascinating about bilberry is how it bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. Its ability to support eye health is a reminder that sometimes the simplest remedies are the most effective. And as we shift our focus from vision to another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been protecting smiles for centuries, a natural solution for oral health that might just surprise you. In the bustling villages of ancient India, where the scent of spices filled the air, there was a common sight that might surprise you: people walking through the streets, chewing on twigs. These weren't just any twigs, they were from the Neem tree, a plant so revered for its medicinal properties that it earned the nickname, the village pharmacy. But one of its most remarkable uses was in oral care. Long before the invention of toothbrushes and minty mouthwashes, neem twigs were the go-to tool for keeping teeth clean and gums healthy. The practice was simple yet effective. Chew one end of the twig until it frayed into bristles, then use it to brush the teeth and massage the gums. This ancient technique wasn't just about cleaning, it was a holistic approach to oral health, rooted in the understanding that a healthy mouth is the gateway to overall well-being. So, what made Neem so effective? The answer lies in its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Neem contains compounds like nimbidin and azadirachtin, which fight off the bacteria responsible for plaque, cavities, and gum disease. These same compounds also help freshen breath by targeting the microbes that cause bad odors. Compare this to many modern mouthwashes, which often rely on harsh chemicals like alcohol to kill bacteria. While effective, these chemicals can sometimes irritate the mouth or disrupt its natural balance. Neem, on the other hand, offers a gentler yet equally powerful alternative. It doesn't just mask bad breath, it tackles the root cause, promoting a healthier oral environment without the side effects. Take the story of Priya, a yoga instructor who grew up watching her grandmother use neem twigs every morning. It was like a ritual, she recalls. She'd sit on the porch, chewing the twig, and by the time she was done, her smile was always so bright. Inspired by this tradition, Priya started using neem-based toothpaste and mouthwash as an adult. "I've noticed a huge difference in my oral health," she says. "My gums don't bleed anymore, and my breath stays fresh all day. It's amazing how something so simple can be so effective." Stories like Priya's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical, natural solutions in a world dominated by synthetic products. What's truly remarkable about Neem is how it embodies the wisdom of ancient traditions while addressing modern-day needs. It's a reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have been with us all along. And as we move from oral health to another essential aspect of well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been helping people find calm and clarity for centuries, a natural solution for stress relief that might just be the key to a more balanced life. In the quiet villages of ancient India, where the rhythm of life flowed with the seasons, Ayurvedic healers turned to a small, unassuming plant with remarkable powers, Ashwagandha. Known as the strength of the horse for its ability to restore vitality, this ancient herb was a cornerstone of holistic healing. Picture a weary traveler arriving at an Ayurvedic healer's hut, exhausted from days of journeying under the relentless sun. The healer, with a knowing smile, prepares a paste of ashwagandha root, mixing it into a warm drink. Within hours, the traveler feels a renewed sense of energy, as though the weight of the world has been lifted from their shoulders. This wasn't just a placebo effect, it was the power of an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body adapt to stress and restore balance. At the heart of ashwagandha's benefits lies its ability to regulate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. When cortisol levels are too high, it can wreak havoc on the body, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even weakened immunity. Ashwagandha works by calming the adrenal glands, which produce cortisol, and helping the body return to a state of equilibrium. Modern studies have confirmed what ancient healers observed centuries ago. One clinical trial found that participants who took ashwagandha extract experienced a significant reduction in cortisol levels, along with improvements in energy and overall well-being. Another study revealed that it could reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, offering a natural alternative to pharmaceutical options. What's remarkable is how ashwagandha doesn't just mask stress, it helps the body manage it more effectively, promoting resilience over time. Take the story of Sarah, a busy professional juggling a demanding career and family life. "I was constantly stressed, always running on empty," she shared. "I tried everything: yoga, meditation, even prescription medications, but nothing seemed to work. Then, a friend suggested ashwagandha. Skeptical but desperate, Sarah started taking it daily. Within a few weeks, I noticed a shift, she said. I wasn't as reactive to stress, and I had more energy to get through the day. It felt like I had finally found something that worked with my body, not against it. Stories like Sarah's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide relief in a world where stress has become an all-too-common companion. What makes ashwagandha truly fascinating is its versatility. Beyond stress relief, it also supports immune function, improves sleep quality, and even enhances cognitive performance. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that address the root causes of imbalance, rather than just treating symptoms. And as we move from the realm of stress relief to another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been strengthening bones for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to staying strong and active at any age. In the ancient Roman Empire, where gladiators faced the brutality of the arena and soldiers marched tirelessly across rugged terrain, one plant stood out as a healer of broken bones and a guardian of strength: Horsetail. Known scientifically as equisetum, this unassuming plant with its segmented, reed-like stems was a staple in the Roman medicinal toolkit. Picture a Roman physician carefully gathering horsetail by a riverbank, knowing its silica-rich stems could be brewed into a tea or ground into a poultice to speed the healing of fractures. The Romans didn't have modern imaging technology or advanced surgical techniques, but they understood something profound. Horsetail had the power to strengthen bones and restore mobility, even in the most severe cases. The secret to horsetail's effectiveness lies in its incredibly high silica content. Silica, a mineral essential for bone health, plays a critical role in promoting collagen production, the protein that gives bones their flexibility and resilience. Without enough collagen, bones become brittle and prone to fractures. Horsetail doesn't just provide silica, it delivers it in a form that's easily absorbed by the body, making it one of nature's most potent bone-strengthening remedies. Modern science has since confirmed what the Romans knew intuitively. Studies have shown that silica can significantly improve bone density, making horsetail a valuable ally in the fight against osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures, especially in older adults. One particularly compelling study found that women with early-stage osteoporosis who took horsetail supplements experienced noticeable improvements in bone density over 6 months. Their bones became stronger and more resilient, reducing their risk of fractures. But the benefits of horsetail aren't just confined to the laboratory. Take the story of Margaret, a woman in her 60s who had been diagnosed with osteoporosis after a minor fall resulted in a fractured wrist. Frustrated with the side effects of her prescribed medications, she turned to horsetail tea on the advice of a naturopath. I started drinking it every morning, she recalls. Within a few months, I felt stronger, my energy levels improved, and my doctor even noted an increase in my bone density at my next checkup. It was like my body was finally getting the support it needed. What's truly remarkable about horsetail is how it bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern health challenges. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that have been with us for centuries. And as we shift our focus from bone health to another vital aspect of well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been purifying the body for thousands of years, a natural solution that might just be the key to detoxifying and rejuvenating from the inside out. In the ancient gardens of China and the wild plains of North America, one humble plant was revered as a powerful detoxifier: dandelion. Often dismissed today as a pesky weed, This vibrant yellow flower was once a cornerstone of traditional medicine. Chinese healers brewed dandelion root into teas to cleanse the liver and kidneys, while Native American tribes used its leaves and roots to purify the body and support digestion. They didn't have the scientific tools to understand why it worked, but their observations were remarkably accurate. Dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body flush out toxins by increasing urine production. Unlike synthetic diuretics, which can deplete essential minerals like potassium, dandelion is packed with nutrients that replenish the body as it detoxifies. This makes it a gentler, more balanced option for those looking to cleanse their system. Fast forward to today, and modern science is catching up to what ancient healers knew all along. Studies have shown that dandelion root can improve liver function by increasing bile production, which helps break down fats and eliminate waste. Its leaves, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium, support overall health while aiding detoxification. Compare this to many modern detox products, which often rely on harsh chemicals or extreme fasting regimens. While these can be effective in the short term, they often leave people feeling drained or imbalanced. Dandelion, on the other hand, works with the body's natural processes, offering a sustainable approach to detoxification that doesn't overwhelm the system. Take the story of Emily, a busy mom who had been struggling with sluggish digestion and bloating for years. "I tried everything: cleanses, supplements, even prescription medications, but nothing seemed to work long-term," she shared. Then, a friend suggested dandelion tea. Skeptical but willing to try anything, Emily started drinking a cup every morning. "Within a week, I noticed a difference," she said. "My digestion felt smoother, and I had more energy throughout the day. It was like my body finally found its rhythm." Stories like Emily's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where detox has become a buzzword. What's truly remarkable about dandelion is its versatility. Beyond detoxification, it also supports skin health, reduces inflammation, and even acts as a mild appetite stimulant. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that grow right beneath our feet. And as we shift our focus from detoxification to mental well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been calming anxious minds for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to finding peace in a hectic world. In the golden sands of ancient Egypt, where the Nile flowed like a lifeline through the desert, chamomile was more than just a delicate flower. It was a symbol of tranquility and healing. Egyptians revered this plant for its ability to calm the mind and soothe the spirit, often using it to ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. They brewed it into teas, infused it into oils, and even burned it as incense during rituals to invoke peace. What they didn't know at the time was that chamomile's calming effects came from two powerful compounds, apigenin and bisabolol. Apigenin, a natural flavonoid, binds to receptors in the brain that reduce anxiety, much like modern anti-anxiety medications, but without the side effects. Bisabolol, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps relax both the mind and body, making it a perfect remedy for those restless nights. Fast forward to today, and modern science has confirmed what the ancient Egyptians observed centuries ago. Studies have shown that chamomile can significantly reduce symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder, a condition that affects millions worldwide. One clinical trial found that participants who took chamomile extract daily experienced a notable decrease in anxiety levels compared to those who took a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to improve sleep quality, making it a go-to remedy for those struggling with insomnia. What's fascinating is how chamomile works differently from prescription medications. Instead of sedating the body, it gently nudges the nervous system toward relaxation, offering a natural alternative that feels both grounding and nurturing. Take the story of Anna, a college student who had been battling anxiety for years. "I was always on edge, especially during exams," she shared. "I tried everything, breathing exercises, meditation, even prescription medications, but nothing seemed to help." Then her grandmother suggested chamomile tea. "I started drinking a cup every evening, and within a week I noticed a difference," Anna said. "It wasn't like a magic fix, but I felt calmer, more centered. It was like the tea gave me a moment to breathe, even when everything around me was chaotic." Stories like Anna's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer solace in a world that often feels overwhelming. What makes chamomile truly remarkable is its ability to address both the mind and body, offering a holistic approach to anxiety and sleep issues. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless remedy, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern needs. And as we shift our focus from calming the mind to rejuvenating the skin, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been nurturing healthy, radiant complexions for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your skin's inner glow. Among the lush jungles of ancient Mesoamerica, the Mayans discovered a secret weapon for radiant, youthful skin: rosehip. This vibrant fruit, with its deep red hue and delicate petals, wasn't just a symbol of beauty, it was a powerful healer. Picture a Mayan healer carefully collecting rosehips after the first frost, knowing that their potency was at its peak. They would crush the fruit to extract its oil, applying it to scars, burns, and even sun-damaged skin. The results were nothing short of miraculous: faded scars, smoother texture, and a natural glow that seemed to defy time. What the Mayans didn't know was that rosehip's magic lay in its extraordinary nutrient profile, particularly its high concentration of vitamin C. This essential vitamin isn't just an immune booster. It's a cornerstone of collagen production, the protein that keeps skin firm, elastic, and wrinkle-free. Fast forward to today, and modern science has unlocked even more of rosehip's secrets. Its vitamin C content, combined with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, makes it a powerhouse for anti-aging skincare. Research has shown that rosehip oil can significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines, improve skin elasticity, and even out skin tone. One study found that participants who used rosehip oil daily experienced a noticeable reduction in wrinkles and an increase in skin hydration after just 8 weeks. What's remarkable is how it works unlike many synthetic skincare products that simply sit on the surface. Rosehip oil penetrates deep into the skin, nourishing it from within. It's a gentle yet effective approach, offering results without the harsh side effects often associated with chemical treatments. Take the story of Maria, a woman in her 40s who had been struggling with sun damage and uneven skin tone for years. "I tried countless creams and serums, but nothing seemed to work," she shared. Then, a friend recommended rosehip oil. Skeptical but hopeful, Maria started applying it every night before bed. "Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference," she said. "My skin felt softer, the dark spots started to fade, and I even got compliments on my glow. It was like my skin had found its second chance." Stories like Maria's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer hope and healing in a world where the pursuit of youthful skin often comes with a hefty price tag. What makes rose hip truly fascinating is its ability to address multiple skin concerns at once: wrinkles, scars, dryness, and even hyperpigmentation. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones nature provides. And as we shift our focus from skin health to another vital aspect of well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been fortifying the immune system for centuries. A natural solution that might just be the key to staying strong and resilient in the face of modern challenges. In the dense forests of ancient Europe, where winters were harsh and illnesses rampant, elderberry was more than just a wild fruit. It was a lifeline. For centuries, healers and herbalists turned to this dark, purplish berry to combat colds, flu, and other seasonal ailments. They brewed it into syrups, teas, and even wines, knowing it could stave off sickness when the chill of winter set in. What they didn't fully understand at the time was that elderberry is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give the berries their deep color and remarkable healing properties. These compounds work to strengthen the immune system by boosting the production of cytokines, the proteins that help regulate the body's immune response. At the same time, elderberry's anti-inflammatory effects help reduce the severity of symptoms, making it a dual-action remedy for fighting infections. Modern science has since validated what ancient healers observed. Studies have shown that elderberry can significantly shorten the duration of viral infections, including the flu. One clinical trial found that participants who took elderberry syrup at the onset of flu symptoms recovered, on average, 4 days faster than those who didn't. Another study revealed that elderberry extract could reduce the severity of cold symptoms, offering relief from congestion, coughing, and fatigue. What's fascinating is how elderberry works. It doesn't just suppress symptoms, it enhances the body's natural defenses, helping it fight off infections more effectively. This makes it a valuable tool for anyone looking to stay healthy during cold and flu season. Take the story of Tom, a teacher who caught a nasty flu bug that left him bedridden for days. "I was miserable, fever, body aches, the works," he shared. Then, a colleague suggested elderberry syrup. Skeptical but desperate, Tom started taking a spoonful every few hours. "Within a day, I felt a noticeable difference," he said. "The fever broke, my energy started to return, and by the third day, I was back on my feet. It was like my body got the boost it needed to fight back." Stories like Tom's highlight how elderberry isn't just a folk remedy. It's a practical, modern-day solution for immune support. What makes elderberry truly remarkable is its ability to work with the body rather than against it. Its natural compounds provide a gentle yet effective way to strengthen the immune system, offering a safer alternative to synthetic medications. And as we shift our focus from boosting immunity to supporting another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been soothing digestive troubles for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to restoring balance and comfort. In the sun-drenched courtyards of ancient Greece, where philosophers debated the mysteries of life and healers tended to the sick, peppermint was a cherished remedy for one of the most common ailments: digestive discomfort. Picture a Greek physician crushing fresh peppermint leaves between his fingers, releasing their cooling aroma before brewing them into a tea for a patient suffering from a stubborn stomachache. This wasn't just a soothing ritual, it was a carefully honed practice, grounded in centuries of observation and experience. The Greeks knew that peppermint could calm an upset stomach, ease bloating, and even improve digestion. What they didn't fully understand was the science behind its effectiveness, a secret that modern research has since revealed. The magic of peppermint lies in its active compound, menthol. This natural substance works as a muscle relaxant, particularly on the smooth muscles of the digestive tract. When you drink peppermint tea or take peppermint oil, menthol helps to relax the muscles in your stomach and intestines, reducing spasms and allowing food to move more smoothly through your system. This makes it a powerful ally for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, where cramping and bloating are common complaints. Compare this to modern antacids, which often work by neutralizing stomach acid, but don't address the underlying muscle tension that can cause discomfort. Peppermint, on the other hand, offers a more holistic approach, targeting both the symptoms and the root cause of digestive issues. Take the story of Lisa, a woman in her 30s who had been struggling with IBS for years. I tried everything: prescription medications, over-the-counter remedies, even dietary changes, but nothing seemed to work long-term. She shared, then, her doctor suggested peppermint tea. I started drinking a cup after every meal, she said. Within a few weeks, I noticed a huge difference. The bloating eased, the cramps became less frequent, and I finally felt like I could enjoy food again. Stories like Lisa's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide relief in a world where digestive issues are all too common. What's truly remarkable about peppermint is its versatility. Beyond its digestive benefits, it's also a natural remedy for headaches, congestion, and even mental fatigue. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. And as we shift our focus from soothing the stomach to sharpening the mind, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been helping people think more clearly for centuries. A natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your full mental potential. In the sunlit courtyards of ancient Greece and Rome, rosemary wasn't just a fragrant herb for seasoning food, it was a symbol of remembrance and mental clarity. Students would braid rosemary into their hair or burn it as incense during exams, believing it could sharpen their memory and focus. This wasn't mere superstition, it was a practice rooted in centuries of observation. Ancient healers recognized rosemary's ability to invigorate the mind, and today, modern science is uncovering why this humble herb works so well. The secret lies in two powerful compounds, rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These natural substances act as antioxidants, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to cognitive decline. But they don't stop there, they also enhance the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory. Fast forward to today, and rosemary is gaining renewed attention as a natural remedy for age-related memory loss. Studies have shown that inhaling rosemary oil can improve cognitive performance, particularly in tasks requiring concentration and recall. One fascinating study found that participants exposed to rosemary aroma scored significantly higher on memory tests compared to those who weren't. Another study highlighted its potential in slowing the progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, offering hope for those seeking natural ways to protect their brain health. What's remarkable is how rosemary works. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it supports the brain's natural processes, promoting long-term cognitive resilience. Take the story of Daniel, a graphic designer in his 40s who had been struggling with brain fog and forgetfulness. "I'd walk into a room and forget why I was there," he shared. It was frustrating and embarrassing. On the advice of a friend, he started diffusing rosemary oil in his workspace. "Within a week, I noticed a difference," he said. "My focus improved, and I felt more alert and present. It was like a mental reset." Stories like Daniel's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical solutions in a world where mental clarity is more important than ever. Rosemary's ability to enhance memory and focus is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to boost their cognitive health. And as we shift our focus from the mind to the body, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been supporting joint mobility for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to staying active and pain-free. In the sacred groves of ancient India, where the air was thick with the scent of incense and the hum of chants, Ayurvedic healers turned to a golden resin for one of the most stubborn ailments of the human body, joint pain. This resin, known as Boswellia, was harvested from the bark of the Boswellia serrata tree, a plant revered for its ability to soothe inflammation and restore mobility. Picture a healer carefully collecting the resin, grinding it into a fine powder, and mixing it with warm oils to create a poultice for a patient suffering from arthritis. The results were often transformative, with swelling reduced and movement restored in ways that seemed almost miraculous. What these ancient practitioners didn't fully understand was that Boswellia contains powerful compounds called boswellic acids, which work to block the production of inflammatory enzymes in the body. This makes it one of nature's most effective remedies for joint health. Modern science has since uncovered the secrets behind Boswellia's remarkable benefits. Studies have shown that boswellic acids not only reduce inflammation, but also protect cartilage from further damage, making it a valuable tool for conditions like osteoarthritis. One clinical trial found that participants who took Boswellia extract experienced significant improvements in pain and stiffness compared to those who took a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to improve mobility and quality of life for people with chronic joint issues. What's fascinating is how Boswellia works. It doesn't just mask the pain, it tackles the root cause by addressing inflammation and promoting long-term joint health. This makes it a gentler, more sustainable alternative to synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs, which often come with side effects like stomach irritation or liver strain. Take the story of Karen, a retired teacher who had been living with osteoarthritis for years. "I was constantly in pain," she shared. "Walking upstairs or even standing for long periods became unbearable." Frustrated with the limitations of her medications, she decided to try Boswellia supplements after reading about their benefits. "Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference," she said. "The stiffness in my knees eased, and I could move more freely. It wasn't an overnight fix, but over time, I felt like I had my life back." Stories like Karen's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer hope and healing in a world where joint pain affects millions. What makes Boswellia truly remarkable is its ability to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern health challenges. Its gentle yet effective approach to reducing inflammation and improving mobility is a reminder that nature often holds the answers to our most persistent ailments. And as we shift our focus from joint health to another vital aspect of well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been balancing hormones for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to restoring harmony within the body. High in the Andes Mountains, where the air is thin and the soil rich, ancient Peruvians cultivated a remarkable root that became a cornerstone of their health and vitality, maca. Known as the Peruvian ginseng, this hardy plant thrives in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, and its resilience is mirrored in its incredible health benefits. For centuries, the Inca people revered maca root as a source of strength, stamina, and hormonal balance, Warriors consumed it before battle to boost their endurance, while women used it to enhance fertility and ease the symptoms of menopause. What made maca so effective? The answer lies in its adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance within the endocrine system, the network of glands that regulate hormones. Maca's ability to balance hormones comes from its unique blend of nutrients, including amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which work together to support the pituitary and adrenal glands. These glands are responsible for producing hormones that influence everything from energy levels to reproductive health. Modern research has confirmed what ancient Peruvians knew intuitively. Maca can help regulate menstrual cycles, improve fertility, and even alleviate symptoms of hormonal imbalances like hot flashes and mood swings. One study found that women who took maca supplements experienced significant improvements in energy and overall well-being, particularly during menopause. Another study revealed that maca could enhance male fertility by increasing sperm count and motility, offering hope for couples struggling with conception. Take the story of Maria, a busy mother of 3 who had been feeling constantly drained and irritable. "I was exhausted all the time, and my mood swings were affecting my family," she shared. After reading about maca's benefits, she decided to add it to her morning smoothie. "Within a few weeks, I noticed a change," she said. "My energy levels improved, and I felt more balanced emotionally. It was like I had finally found something that worked with my body, not against it." Stories like Maria's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical solutions for modern-day challenges, particularly for those navigating hormonal changes. What makes maca truly fascinating is its versatility. Beyond hormonal balance, it's also a natural energy booster, making it a favorite among athletes and busy professionals alike. Its ability to support both physical and emotional well-being is a testament to the wisdom of ancient healing traditions. And as we shift our focus from hormonal health to another vital aspect of the body, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been clearing airways and soothing respiratory issues for centuries. A natural solution that might just be the key to breathing easier in a modern world. In the shadow of the Great Pyramids, where the desert winds carried whispers of ancient wisdom, thyme was more than just a fragrant herb, it was a lifeline for those struggling to breathe. The Egyptians, with their deep understanding of medicinal plants, turned to thyme to treat respiratory infections, coughs, and even chest congestion. They didn't have microscopes or lab tests, but they knew this humble herb could clear the airways and soothe the lungs. Fast forward to today, and modern science has revealed why thyme was so effective, a powerful compound called thymol. This natural substance is a potent antibacterial and antifungal agent, capable of fighting off the pathogens that cause respiratory infections. At the same time, thymol acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen mucus and make it easier to expel. It's a dual-action remedy that has stood the test of time, offering relief in a way that feels both ancient and timeless. Compare this to many modern cough syrups, which often rely on synthetic ingredients to suppress symptoms. While effective, these medications can sometimes leave people feeling drowsy or disconnected from their bodies. Thyme, on the other hand, offers a gentler approach. Brewed into a tea or inhaled as steam, it works with the body's natural processes to clear congestion and fight infection. Research has shown that thyme can be particularly effective for conditions like bronchitis, where inflammation and mucus buildup make breathing difficult. One study found that participants who used thyme-based remedies experienced significant improvements in their symptoms, with fewer side effects compared to conventional treatments. It's a testament to the enduring power of this ancient remedy, proving that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Take the story of Emma, a yoga instructor who had been battling chronic bronchitis for years. "I was constantly coughing, and my chest always felt heavy," she shared. "I tried over-the-counter medications, but they only provided temporary relief. Then a friend suggested thyme tea. I started drinking a cup every morning and evening," she said. "Within a week, I noticed a difference. The cough became less frequent, and I could breathe more deeply. It was like my lungs finally had room to expand." Stories like Emma's highlight how thyme isn't just a relic of the past. It's a practical, natural solution for modern respiratory challenges. What makes thyme truly remarkable is its versatility. Beyond its respiratory benefits, it's also a natural remedy for sore throats, digestive issues, and even skin irritations. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones that grow right outside our doors. And as we shift our focus from clearing the airways to healing the skin, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been nurturing healthy, radiant complexions for centuries. A natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your skin's inner glow. In the sunlit meadows of ancient Europe, where wildflowers swayed in the breeze, one plant stood out for its vibrant orange petals and remarkable healing powers: calendula. Often referred to as marigold, this cheerful flower was a staple in medieval medicine cabinets, prized for its ability to heal wounds, soothe burns, and calm irritated skin. Picture a village healer gathering calendula petals at dawn, carefully drying them to create salves and ointments for villagers suffering from cuts, scrapes, or rashes. These ancient practitioners didn't have the tools to analyze calendula's chemical makeup, but their observations were spot on. This humble flower contains powerful compounds like flavonoids and triterpenoids, which work together to reduce inflammation, fight off bacteria, and promote skin regeneration. What makes calendula truly remarkable is its dual-action approach to healing. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness and swelling, while its antimicrobial effects prevent infections, making it an ideal remedy for everything from minor cuts to stubborn skin conditions. Modern research has confirmed what medieval healers knew intuitively. Studies have shown that calendula can significantly improve symptoms of eczema and dermatitis, conditions that cause dry, itchy, and inflamed skin. One clinical trial found that participants who used calendula cream experienced a noticeable reduction in redness and irritation compared to those who used a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to accelerate wound healing, making it a valuable tool for post-surgical care. Unlike many synthetic creams, which can irritate sensitive skin, calendula offers a gentle yet effective solution that works in harmony with the body's natural processes. Take the story of Laura, a hiker who developed a stubborn rash after a weekend in the woods. "I tried over-the-counter creams, but nothing seemed to work," she shared. Then, a friend suggested calendula cream. "I was skeptical, but within a few days, the redness started to fade and the itching stopped. It was like my skin finally had a chance to heal." Stories like Laura's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where skin issues are all too common. Calendula's ability to heal and soothe is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet powerful nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to care for their skin naturally. And as we shift our focus from soothing the skin to boosting energy, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been invigorating bodies and minds for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to feeling revitalized and ready to take on the day. In the misty mountains of ancient China, where the air was crisp and the soil rich with nutrients, ginseng grew as a symbol of vitality and endurance. For thousands of years, Chinese healers revered this knobby root, often referring to it as the root of life. Picture a weary traveler, exhausted from days of journeying through rugged terrain, stopping at a village healer's hut. The healer, with a knowing smile, brews a potent tea from ginseng root. Within hours, the traveler feels a surge of energy, their fatigue melting away as if they'd been granted a second wind. This wasn't just folklore, it was a testament to ginseng's remarkable ability to restore energy and stamina, a secret that has been passed down through generations. What makes ginseng so effective? The answer lies in its adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Ginseng contains compounds called ginsenosides, which work to improve both physical and mental energy. These compounds stimulate the adrenal glands, which produce hormones that regulate energy levels, while also enhancing blood flow to the brain, sharpening focus and mental clarity. It's a dual-action remedy that doesn't just mask fatigue, it addresses the root causes, helping the body perform at its best. Modern science has since confirmed what ancient healers observed. Studies have shown that ginseng can significantly reduce feelings of fatigue, particularly in people dealing with chronic exhaustion or stress. One clinical trial found that participants who took ginseng supplements reported higher energy levels and improved cognitive performance compared to those who took a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to enhance physical endurance, making it a favorite among athletes and busy professionals alike. Take the story of Mark, a software engineer who had been struggling with burnout after months of long hours and tight deadlines. "I was constantly drained, both mentally and physically," he shared. "Coffee and energy drinks only made things worse." Then, a colleague suggested ginseng. Skeptical but desperate, Mark started taking a daily ginseng supplement. "Within a couple of weeks, I noticed a shift," he said. "My energy levels stabilized, and I could focus better at work. It felt like I was finally getting the support my body needed." Stories like Mark's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where exhaustion has become all too common. What makes ginseng truly fascinating is its ability to work on multiple levels, boosting energy, improving focus, and even supporting the immune system. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that have been with us for centuries. And as we shift our focus from energy to another vital aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been nurturing the heart for generations, a natural solution that might just be the key to maintaining a strong and healthy cardiovascular system. In the dense jungles of ancient Mesoamerica, where the air was thick with the scent of tropical plants and the hum of life, the Mayans discovered a fiery secret to heart health: cayenne pepper. This vibrant red spice, with its unmistakable heat, wasn't just a culinary staple, it was a powerful medicinal tool. Mayan healers would grind dried cayenne peppers into powders or brew them into teas, knowing they could improve circulation and strengthen the heart. What they didn't fully understand was the science behind its potency, a compound called capsaicin. This natural substance gives cayenne its signature heat, but it also works wonders for cardiovascular health by dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow, making it easier for the heart to pump efficiently. Modern research has since uncovered even more about cayenne's remarkable benefits. Capsaicin has been shown to lower blood pressure by relaxing the walls of blood vessels, reducing the strain on the heart. It also helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, which can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. One study found that participants who consumed cayenne regularly experienced a significant drop in cholesterol levels and improved blood flow compared to those who didn't. What's fascinating is how cayenne doesn't just address symptoms, it supports the body's natural processes, offering a holistic approach to heart health that aligns with ancient wisdom. Take the story of Carlos, a middle-aged man who had been struggling with high blood pressure and poor circulation. "I was always tired, and my legs would ache after just a short walk," he shared. His doctor suggested adding cayenne pepper to his diet, so Carlos started sprinkling it on his meals and drinking a daily tea made with cayenne and lemon. "Within a month, I noticed a difference," he said. "My energy levels improved and the aching in my legs disappeared. My blood pressure readings even started to normalize." Stories like Carlos's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions for modern cardiovascular challenges. Cayenne pepper's ability to enhance heart health is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its fiery kick isn't just a burst of flavor, it's a reminder that nature often holds the answers to some of our most pressing health concerns. And as we turn our attention from the heart to the mind, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been sharpening focus and mental clarity for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your full cognitive potential. In the lush, green valleys of ancient India, where the air was thick with the scent of herbs and the hum of chants, Ayurvedic healers turned to a small, unassuming plant to unlock the mind's full potential, Gatu Kola. Known as the herb of enlightenment, this leafy green plant was revered for its ability to enhance memory, sharpen focus, and even promote longevity. Picture an Ayurvedic practitioner carefully harvesting Gatu Kola leaves, grinding them into a paste, and offering it to a student preparing for an important exam. This wasn't just a ritual, it was a deeply rooted practice, grounded in centuries of observation. The healers believed Gatu Kola could revitalize the brain, and modern science is now revealing why they were right. The secret to Gatu Kola's power lies in two remarkable compounds, aceticoside and madecassoside. These natural substances work together to promote brain cell regeneration, protect neurons from damage, and improve blood flow to the brain. Aceticoside, in particular, has been shown to stimulate the growth of dendrites, the tiny branches of brain cells that help transmit information. This makes Gatu Kola a powerful ally for anyone looking to boost cognitive function, whether they're a student cramming for exams or a professional navigating a high-pressure work environment. Modern research has only deepened our understanding of this ancient remedy. Studies have shown that Gatu Kola can significantly improve memory and attention in people with mild cognitive decline. One clinical trial found that participants who took Gatu Kola extract experienced noticeable improvements in their ability to recall information and stay focused on tasks. Another study highlighted its potential to slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, offering hope for those seeking natural ways to protect their brain health. What's truly remarkable is how Gatu Kola works. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it supports the brain's natural processes, promoting long-term cognitive resilience. Take the story of Priya, a graphic designer in her 30s who had been struggling with brain fog and forgetfulness. "I'd walk into a room and forget why I was there," she shared. It was frustrating and embarrassing. On the advice of a friend, she started taking Gatu Cola supplements. Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference, she said. My focus improved, and I felt more alert and present. It was like a mental reset. Stories like Priya's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical solutions in a world where mental clarity is more important than ever. Gatu Cola's ability to enhance memory and focus is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to boost their cognitive health. And as we shift our focus from sharpening the mind to soothing the stomach, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been balancing digestive health for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to restoring comfort and vitality. In the bustling markets of ancient Rome, where the aroma of spices mingled with the chatter of merchants, fennel was more than just a flavorful herb. It was a trusted remedy for digestive woes. Romans would chew on fennel seeds after meals to ward off bloating and indigestion, a practice that spread across Europe and beyond. This wasn't just a culinary habit, it was a medicinal tradition rooted in centuries of observation. Fennel's secret lies in two powerful compounds, anethole and fenchone. These natural substances work together to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, easing spasms and reducing gas. At the same time, fennel's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation in the gut, making it a go-to remedy for everything from mild discomfort to chronic digestive issues. Modern science has since confirmed what the Romans knew all along. Studies have shown that fennel can significantly reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, a condition that affects millions worldwide. One clinical trial found that participants who took fennel extract experienced fewer episodes of bloating, cramping, and irregular bowel movements compared to those who didn't. Another study highlighted its ability to improve overall digestive function, offering relief without the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical treatments. What's fascinating is how fennel works. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it addresses the root causes of digestive distress, promoting a healthier, more balanced gut. Take the story of Emily, a college student who had been struggling with IBS for years. I was constantly bloated and uncomfortable, she shared. It affected everything: my energy, my mood, even my social life. After trying numerous medications with limited success, she decided to give fennel tea a try. I started drinking a cup after every meal, she said. Within a week, I noticed a difference. The bloating eased, and I could finally enjoy food without worrying about the consequences. It felt like my body was finally getting the support it needed. Stories like Emily's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical, natural solutions for modern digestive challenges. Fennel's ability to soothe and balance the digestive system is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to restore comfort and vitality. And as we shift our focus from the gut to the skin, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been nurturing healthy, radiant complexions for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your skin's inner glow. In the vast, sun-baked landscapes of Australia, where the earth meets the sky in endless horizons, the Aboriginal people found a remarkable gift from nature nestled among the leaves of the tea tree. For thousands of years, they crushed the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia plant to extract its potent oil, using it to treat cuts, infections, and skin ailments. Imagine a healer in the outback, carefully applying this aromatic oil to a wound, knowing instinctively that it would cleanse, heal, and protect. This wasn't just a traditional remedy, it was a profound understanding of nature's power, one that modern science has only recently begun to fully appreciate. The secret to tea tree oil's effectiveness lies in its antimicrobial properties. The oil contains compounds like terpene and phenol, which are incredibly effective at fighting bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. When applied to the skin, tea tree oil works like a natural disinfectant, killing harmful microbes while soothing inflammation. This makes it a powerful ally for a range of skin issues, from minor cuts and scrapes to stubborn conditions like acne and fungal infections. What's fascinating is how tea tree oil doesn't just treat symptoms, it addresses the root cause of many skin problems by targeting the microbes responsible for them. Compare this to many modern acne treatments, which often rely on harsh chemicals that can dry out or irritate the skin. Tea tree oil, on the other hand, offers a gentler yet equally effective alternative. Modern studies have confirmed what the Aboriginal people knew all along. Research has shown that tea tree oil can significantly reduce acne lesions, with one study finding it to be just as effective as benzoyl peroxide, a common over-the-counter acne treatment, but with fewer side effects. Another study highlighted its ability to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot, offering relief without the need for prescription medications. Take the story of Sam, a teenager who had been struggling with severe acne for years. "I tried every product on the market," he shared. "Some made my skin worse and others didn't work at all. Then, his aunt suggested tea tree oil. I started applying a diluted solution every night," he said. "Within a few weeks, my skin started to clear up. It wasn't an overnight miracle, but over time, I noticed fewer breakouts and less redness. It felt like my skin was finally healing." Stories like Sam's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where skin issues are all too common. What makes tea tree oil truly remarkable is its versatility. Beyond its antimicrobial properties, it's also a natural anti-inflammatory, making it a go-to remedy for soothing irritated or inflamed skin. Its ability to work on multiple levels, cleansing, healing, and protecting, makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to care for their skin naturally. And as we shift our focus from physical health to emotional well-being, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been calming anxious minds for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to finding peace in a hectic world. In the sun-drenched fields of ancient Greece and Rome, where the air was perfumed with the scent of wild herbs, lavender was more than just a fragrant flower. It was a symbol of serenity and emotional balance. Picture a Roman bathhouse where bathers soaked in water infused with lavender, its calming aroma filling the air. Or imagine a Greek healer crushing lavender blossoms into oils and salves, knowing they could soothe frayed nerves and lift heavy spirits. This wasn't just a pleasant tradition, it was a deeply rooted practice, grounded in the understanding that lavender had the power to calm the mind and heal the heart. What these ancient healers didn't fully grasp was the science behind its soothing effects, a secret that modern research has since uncovered. The magic of lavender lies in two powerful compounds, linalool and linaloyl acetate. These natural substances work together to calm the nervous system, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Linalool, in particular, interacts with neurotransmitters in the brain, such as GABA, which helps regulate stress and anxiety. At the same time, linaloyl acetate gives lavender its distinctive aroma, which has been shown to lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. It's a dual-action remedy that doesn't just mask emotional discomfort. It addresses the root causes, helping the body and mind find balance. Modern studies have confirmed what the ancients observed. One clinical trial found that participants who inhaled lavender oil before a stressful event experienced significantly lower anxiety levels compared to those who didn't. Another study highlighted its ability to improve symptoms of depression, offering a natural alternative to pharmaceutical treatments. What's fascinating is how lavender works. It doesn't just provide temporary relief, it supports the body's natural ability to manage stress and emotional challenges over time. Take the story of Rachel, a young mother juggling the demands of work and family. "I was constantly on edge," she shared. "Even small things felt overwhelming, and I couldn't relax, no matter how hard I tried." On the advice of a friend, she started diffusing lavender oil in her home and adding a few drops to her evening bath. "Within a week, I noticed a shift," she said. "I felt calmer, more grounded, and I could finally unwind at the end of the day. It was like a weight had been lifted." Stories like Rachel's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical, natural solutions in a world where stress and anxiety are all too common. Lavender's ability to soothe the mind and balance emotions is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone seeking peace in a hectic world. And as we shift our focus from emotional well-being to physical resilience, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been strengthening the body's defenses for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to staying healthy and vibrant in the face of modern challenges. High in the misty mountains of ancient China, where the air was crisp and the soil rich with healing herbs, astragalus grew as a symbol of resilience and vitality. Known as huang kai in traditional Chinese medicine, this root was revered for its ability to strengthen the body's defenses and protect against illness. Picture an ancient healer carefully harvesting astragalus roots, drying them in the cool mountain air, and brewing them into a potent tea for a patient weakened by a lingering infection. This wasn't just a remedy, it was a deeply rooted practice, passed down through generations, that recognized the power of this humble plant to fortify the immune system and restore balance. What these healers didn't fully understand was the science behind astragalus's effectiveness, a secret that modern research is now uncovering. At the heart of astragalus's immune-boosting powers are two remarkable compounds, polysaccharides and saponins. Polysaccharides are long chains of sugar molecules that play a critical role in enhancing the activity of immune cells, such as macrophages and T cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Saponins, on the other hand, are natural compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and stimulate the production of antibodies, helping the body mount a stronger defense against infections. Together, these compounds make astragalus one of nature's most potent immune strengtheners, offering a holistic approach to staying healthy. Modern studies have confirmed what ancient Chinese healers observed centuries ago. Research has shown that astragalus can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu, particularly in people with weakened immune systems. One study found that participants who took astragalus supplements experienced fewer respiratory infections and faster recovery times compared to those who didn't. Another study highlighted its ability to enhance the effectiveness of flu vaccines, offering an extra layer of protection during flu season. What's truly fascinating is how astragalus doesn't just mask symptoms, It supports the body's natural defenses, helping it fight off infections more effectively. Take the story of Lisa, a teacher who had been battling frequent colds and fatigue for years. "I felt like I was always sick," she shared. "It was exhausting and frustrating, especially during the school year." On the advice of a naturopath, she started taking astragalus capsules daily. "Within a few months, I noticed a dramatic change," she said. "I wasn't getting sick as often, and when I did, it didn't hit me as hard. It felt like my body finally had the support it needed to stay strong." Stories like Lisa's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical, natural solutions for modern immune challenges. Astragalus's ability to strengthen the immune system is a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient healing traditions. Its gentle yet powerful nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone looking to stay healthy and resilient. And as we shift our focus from immunity to another essential aspect of health, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been supporting joint mobility for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to staying active and pain-free. Deep in the arid landscapes of southern Africa, where the sun beats down on red earth and sparse vegetation, a peculiar plant with hooked fruit earned the name Devil's Claw. Despite its ominous title, this plant became a lifeline for ancient healers, who recognized its remarkable ability to soothe joint pain and reduce inflammation. For centuries, these healers would harvest the plant's tuberous roots, drying and grinding them into powders or brewing them into teas for patients suffering from arthritis and other joint ailments. They didn't have the tools to analyze its chemical makeup, but their observations were astute. Devil's Claw contains powerful compounds called harpagosides, which act as natural anti-inflammatories, reducing swelling and easing discomfort in stiff, aching joints. Modern science has since confirmed what traditional healers knew all along. Research shows that Devil's Claw can significantly reduce pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis, a condition characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in joints. One study found that participants who took Devil's Claw extract experienced a noticeable reduction in pain and stiffness compared to those who took a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to improve joint function, allowing people to move more freely and comfortably. What makes Devil's Claw particularly remarkable is how it works. It doesn't just mask the pain, it targets the underlying inflammation, offering a more sustainable solution than many synthetic painkillers, which can come with harsh side effects. Take the story of Maria, a retired nurse who had been living with chronic arthritis for years. "I was in constant pain," she shared. "Even simple tasks like opening jars or climbing stairs became a struggle." Frustrated with the limitations of her medications, she decided to try Devil's Claw supplements after reading about its benefits. "Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference," she said. "The stiffness in my hands eased, and I could move more freely. It wasn't a miracle cure, but it gave me back some of the freedom I'd lost." Stories like Maria's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions for modern joint issues. What's truly fascinating about Devil's Claw is its ability to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary health challenges. Its anti-inflammatory properties not only ease joint pain, but also support overall joint health, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to stay active and pain-free. As we move from the joints to the lungs, our next remedy takes us to the forests of North America, where another ancient secret has been helping people breathe easier for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to clearing congestion and supporting respiratory health. Imagine walking through the dense forests of ancient Europe, where the air was thick with the scent of earth and wild herbs. Here, healers would gather the tall, fuzzy stalks of the mullein plant, its yellow flowers glowing like tiny lanterns in the shade. Known as nature's lung cleanser, mullein was a go-to remedy for respiratory infections, coughs, and even tuberculosis. Picture a village healer, carefully drying mullein leaves and flowers to brew into a tea or grind into a powder, knowing it would bring relief to someone struggling to breathe. This wasn't just a folk remedy, it was a deeply rooted practice, grounded in centuries of observation and experience. The secret to mullein's effectiveness lies in two powerful compounds, saponins and mucilage. Saponins are natural detergents that help break down mucus, making it easier to expel, while mucilage acts as a soothing agent, coating irritated tissues in the lungs and throat. Together, these compounds create a dual-action remedy that not only clears congestion, but also calms inflammation, offering relief from conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and even chronic coughs. What's fascinating is how mullein works. It doesn't just suppress symptoms, it supports the body's natural healing processes, helping the lungs recover more effectively. Modern science has since caught up to what ancient healers knew all along. Studies have shown that mullein can significantly improve symptoms of respiratory conditions. One study found that participants with chronic bronchitis who drank mullein tea experienced reduced coughing and easier breathing compared to those who didn't. Another study highlighted its ability to reduce inflammation in the airways, making it a valuable tool for managing asthma. These findings aren't just impressive, they're a testament to the enduring power of this ancient remedy, proving that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Take the story of Michael, a musician who had been battling a persistent cough for months. It started as a cold, but the cough just wouldn't go away, he shared. I tried over-the-counter medications, but they only provided temporary relief. Then, a friend suggested mullein tea. I started drinking a cup every night before bed, he said. Within a week, the coughing eased, and I could finally breathe freely again. It was like my lungs had finally found the support they needed. Stories like Michael's highlight how mullein isn't just a relic of the past. It's a practical, modern-day solution for respiratory challenges. What makes mullein truly remarkable is its gentle yet effective nature. Unlike many synthetic cough syrups, which can leave people feeling drowsy or disconnected, mullein works in harmony with the body, offering relief without harsh side effects. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that have been with us for centuries. And as we shift our focus from clearing the lungs to nurturing the skin, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been soothing and healing complexions for generations, a natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your skin's inner glow. In the sunlit hills of ancient Greece, where olive trees swayed in the breeze and the scent of herbs filled the air, healers turned to a leafy green plant with remarkable healing powers, comfrey. Known as knitbone for its ability to mend broken bones and repair damaged tissue, comfrey was a cornerstone of ancient medicine. Picture a Greek physician carefully harvesting its broad, fuzzy leaves, grinding them into a paste, and applying it to a warrior's wound or a farmer's fractured arm. This wasn't just a folk remedy, it was a deeply rooted practice, grounded in centuries of observation and trust in nature's ability to heal. What these ancient healers didn't fully understand was the science behind comfrey's effectiveness, a secret that modern research has since revealed. At the heart of comfrey's healing power is a compound called allantoin. This natural substance works by stimulating cell regeneration, helping the body repair damaged tissue more quickly. Allantoin also reduces inflammation, soothing irritated skin and promoting faster healing. Together, these properties make comfrey one of nature's most potent remedies for wounds, burns, and even fractures. Ancient Greeks weren't just relying on tradition, they were tapping into a plant with real, measurable benefits. Fast forward to today, and modern science has confirmed what they knew all along. Studies have shown that comfrey can significantly accelerate the healing of burns, cuts, and skin ulcers, making it a valuable tool for both ancient and modern medicine. One clinical trial found that participants who used comfrey ointment experienced faster wound closure and reduced pain compared to those who used a placebo. Another study highlighted its ability to improve the healing of chronic ulcers, offering hope for those struggling with stubborn, slow-healing wounds. Take the story of James, a carpenter who suffered a deep cut while working with a saw. The wound was deep and it wasn't healing well, he shared. I tried antibiotic creams, but the pain and redness persisted. Then, a friend suggested comfrey salve. I applied it twice a day, and within a week, the wound started to close, he said. The redness faded and the pain eased. It was like my body got the help it needed to heal. Stories like James's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where synthetic treatments often fall short. What makes comfrey truly fascinating is its ability to address both the symptoms and root causes of skin damage. Its allantoin content not only speeds up healing, but also reduces inflammation, offering a holistic approach to skin repair. While modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms, comfrey reminds us that nature often holds the answers to healing at a deeper level. And as we shift our focus from regenerating the skin to sharpening the mind, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been helping people achieve mental clarity for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to unlocking your full cognitive potential. In the serene ashrams of ancient India, where the pursuit of knowledge and inner peace was a way of life, Ayurvedic healers turned to a humble plant known as Bacopa to unlock the mind's full potential. Picture a student sitting cross-legged under the shade of a banyan tree, sipping a tea brewed from Bacopa leaves. The goal wasn't just to memorize sacred texts, but to achieve a state of mental clarity and focus that transcended ordinary learning. This wasn't mere tradition, it was a profound understanding of how Bacopa, or Brahmi as it's traditionally called, could enhance memory, sharpen focus, and even elevate consciousness. What these ancient practitioners didn't fully grasp was the science behind Bacopa's effects, a secret that modern research has since unraveled. The magic of Bacopa lies in its active compounds, called bacosides. These natural substances are neuroprotective, meaning they shield brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors in cognitive decline. But bacosides don't stop there. They also promote the growth of dendrites, the tiny branches of brain cells that help transmit information, and enhance the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and acetylcholine, which are essential for learning, memory, and mood regulation. It's a triple-action remedy that doesn't just mask cognitive issues, it supports the brain's natural processes, helping it perform at its best. Fast forward to today, and modern science is catching up to what Ayurvedic healers knew all along. Studies have shown that Bacopa can significantly improve memory retention and focus, particularly in individuals with ADHD or age-related cognitive decline. One clinical trial found that participants who took Bacopa supplements for 12 weeks experienced noticeable improvements in memory recall and attention span compared to those who didn't. Another study highlighted its potential to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, offering a natural way to support both mental clarity and emotional well-being. What's fascinating is how Bacopa works. It doesn't just provide a quick cognitive boost, it builds resilience over time, helping the brain adapt to stress and maintain peak performance. Take the story of Alex, a college student who had been struggling to stay focused during long study sessions. I'd sit down to study, but my mind would wander, he shared. I tried caffeine and energy drinks, but they only made me jittery. Then, he stumbled upon Bacopa while researching natural remedies for focus. I started taking a supplement every morning, he said. Within a few weeks, I noticed a difference. My concentration improved, and I could retain information more easily. It felt like my brain was finally working the way it was supposed to. Stories like Alex's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions in a world where mental clarity is more important than ever. What makes Bacopa truly remarkable is its ability to bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern cognitive challenges. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are the ones that have been with us for centuries. And as we shift our focus from sharpening the mind to nurturing the gut, we'll explore another ancient remedy that has been soothing digestive troubles for generations, a natural solution that might just be the key to restoring balance and comfort to your daily life. In the dense forests of North America, where the air was thick with the scent of cedar and pine, Native American healers discovered a remarkable remedy hidden in the bark of the slippery elm tree. Known as red elm for its reddish-brown bark, this tree became a cornerstone of traditional medicine, particularly for digestive health. Native tribes would harvest the inner bark, drying and grinding it into a fine powder that could be mixed with water to create a soothing paste or tea. This wasn't just a simple remedy, it was a lifeline for those suffering from stomach ulcers, indigestion, and other digestive ailments. The secret to slippery elm's effectiveness lies in its high mucilage content, a gel-like substance that coats and protects the lining of the digestive tract. This natural barrier not only soothes irritation, but also helps repair damaged tissue, offering relief in a way that feels both gentle and profound. Modern science has since confirmed what Native Americans observed centuries ago. Research shows that slippery elm's mucilage acts as a protective layer, shielding the stomach and intestines from harsh acids and enzymes. This makes it particularly effective for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, and acid reflux, where inflammation and irritation are common. One study found that participants who took slippery elm supplements experienced significant improvements in digestive symptoms, including reduced bloating and cramping. Another study highlighted its ability to accelerate the healing of stomach ulcers, offering a natural alternative to pharmaceutical treatments. What's fascinating is how slippery elm works. It doesn't just mask symptoms, it addresses the root causes of digestive distress, promoting long-term healing and balance. Take the story of Sarah, a woman in her 30s who had been struggling with chronic acid reflux for years. I was constantly uncomfortable, she shared. Even after eating small meals, I'd feel this burning sensation in my chest. I tried over-the-counter medications, but they only provided temporary relief. Then her grandmother suggested slippery elm tea. I started drinking a cup before every meal, she said. Within a week, I noticed a difference, the burning eased, and I could finally eat without worrying about discomfort. It felt like my stomach was finally getting the support it needed. Stories like Sarah's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to provide practical, natural solutions for modern digestive challenges. What makes slippery elm truly remarkable is its ability to heal and protect at the same time. Its mucilage not only soothes irritation, but also creates a barrier against further damage, offering a holistic approach to digestive health. While modern medicine often focuses on treating symptoms, slippery elm reminds us that nature often holds the answers to healing at a deeper level. And as we shift our focus from the gut to the heart, we'll explore an ancient remedy that has been soothing emotional wounds for centuries, a natural solution that might just be the key to finding peace and balance in a hectic world. High in the misty mountains of ancient Mesoamerica, the Aztecs discovered a plant with delicate, intricate flowers that seemed to hold the secrets of tranquility. They called it passion flower, not for romantic love, but for its symbolic resemblance to the Passion of Christ, a name given by Spanish missionaries who marveled at its beauty. But beyond its stunning appearance, the Aztecs recognized its profound calming effects. Picture an Aztec healer, carefully preparing a tea from passion flower leaves and petals, offering it to a warrior plagued by restless thoughts or a mother struggling to find peace after a long day. This wasn't just a soothing drink, it was a remedy that spoke to the soul, easing anxiety and inviting restful sleep. The secret to passion flower's calming power lies in its unique blend of compounds, flavonoids and alkaloids. Flavonoids are natural antioxidants that help regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, particularly GABA, which plays a key role in reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Alkaloids, on the other hand, work to calm the nervous system, easing tension and helping the body unwind. Together, these compounds create a gentle yet effective remedy for anxiety and insomnia, offering relief without the grogginess or side effects often associated with modern medications. Modern research has since confirmed what the Aztecs knew all along. Studies have shown that passion flower can significantly reduce symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD, a condition marked by persistent worry and tension. One clinical trial found that participants who took passion flower extract experienced similar reductions in anxiety levels compared to those who took prescription anti-anxiety medications, but with fewer side effects like drowsiness or dependency. Another study highlighted its ability to improve sleep quality, making it a go-to remedy for those struggling with insomnia. Take the story of Emily, a young professional who had been battling anxiety for years. "I was always on edge," she shared. "Even small things felt overwhelming, and I could never relax, no matter how hard I tried." After researching natural remedies, she decided to try passion flower tea. "I started drinking a cup every evening before bed," she said. "Within a week, I noticed a difference. My mind felt calmer, and I could finally fall asleep without racing thoughts. It wasn't a magic fix, but it gave me a sense of peace I hadn't felt in years." Stories like Emily's highlight how this ancient remedy continues to offer practical, natural solutions in a world where stress and anxiety are all too common. What makes passion flower truly remarkable is its ability to address both the mind and body, offering a holistic approach to anxiety and sleep issues. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it a timeless ally for anyone seeking calm in a chaotic world. And as we reflect on the incredible wisdom of ancient remedies, from willow bark to passion flower, it's clear that these time-tested solutions still hold the power to transform our health and well-being today. In our final section, we'll bring all these threads together, exploring how these ancient secrets can inspire a more balanced, natural approach to modern life, one that honors the wisdom of the past while embracing the possibilities of the future. As we've journeyed through these 40 remarkable ancient remedies, one undeniable truth emerges: nature's healing power has always been at the heart of human well-being. From the willow bark that soothed pain thousands of years ago to the passion flower that calms anxious minds today, these remedies share a common thread. They are rooted in the wisdom of the natural world. Ancient healers didn't have access to modern labs or advanced technology, yet they understood something profound: that the earth provides solutions to many of our most pressing health challenges. Their knowledge, passed down through generations, wasn't just a collection of remedies, it was a testament to humanity's deep connection with nature. What's fascinating is how modern medicine is increasingly turning to these ancient practices for inspiration. Scientists are now validating what traditional healers observed centuries ago, uncovering the science behind these natural remedies. Take turmeric, for example. Its anti-inflammatory properties, celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine, are now backed by clinical studies. Or consider honey, once used by the Egyptians to treat wounds, now recognized for its ability to fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria. This growing interest in ancient wisdom isn't just a trend, it's a recognition that nature often holds the answers we've been searching for. By integrating traditional knowledge with modern science, we're beginning to create more holistic, balanced approaches to health that address not just symptoms but the root causes of illness. But this raises an intriguing question: what other ancient secrets might still be waiting to be rediscovered? Could there be forgotten plants, herbs, or practices that hold untapped potential for healing? The answer, quite possibly, is yes. For every remedy we've explored, there are countless others that remain hidden in the pages of ancient texts or the traditions of remote cultures. As we continue to explore the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science, we may uncover new ways to heal, prevent, and thrive, solutions that are as effective as they are sustainable. This journey through ancient remedies isn't just about looking backward. It's about moving forward with a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the wisdom it holds. It's a reminder that healing doesn't always require the latest technology or the most advanced drugs. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the ones that have been with us all along, waiting to be rediscovered and embraced. As we prepare to wrap up this exploration, let's take a moment to reflect on how these ancient secrets can inspire a more balanced, holistic approach to health, one that honors the past while embracing the possibilities of the future. As we reach the end of our journey through these 40 remarkable ancient remedies, it's clear that the wisdom of the past holds extraordinary relevance for our modern lives. From willow bark's pain-relieving properties to passion flower's calming embrace, these remedies showcase nature's incredible ability to heal and restore. What sets them apart from modern medicine isn't just their effectiveness, it's their natural origins, gentler approach, and holistic benefits. Unlike many synthetic drugs that come with a long list of side effects, these ancient solutions work in harmony with the body, addressing not just symptoms but the root causes of imbalance. They remind us that healing is as much about connection to nature, to tradition, to ourselves as it is about science. The enduring relevance of these remedies lies in their simplicity and timelessness. Ancient healers didn't have the tools or technology we have today, but they understood something profound: that the earth provides everything we need to thrive. Their knowledge, passed down through generations, wasn't just about treating illness, it was about cultivating wellness in mind, body, and spirit. Today, as we face modern health challenges, from chronic stress to antibiotic resistance, these ancient secrets offer a way forward. They invite us to look beyond quick fixes and embrace a more balanced, natural approach to health, one that honors the wisdom of the past while embracing the possibilities of the future. So, what can we take away from this exploration? First, that nature is a powerful ally in our quest for well-being. Whether it's ginger soothing an upset stomach or turmeric easing joint pain, these remedies remind us that the solutions to many of our health challenges are often closer than we think. Second, that healing is a holistic process. These ancient practices didn't just focus on the physical body, they addressed emotional, mental, and even spiritual well-being, offering a more complete approach to health. And finally, that we have much to learn from the past. By rediscovering and integrating these ancient remedies into our lives, we can create a healthier, more balanced future, one that respects both science and tradition. As the great herbalist Maud Grieve once wrote, "The earth has given us herbs, and man has learned to use them for healing." This timeless connection between humanity and nature is at the heart of these ancient remedies. It's a reminder that we are part of something larger, something that has nurtured and sustained us for thousands of years. So, as we move forward, let's carry this wisdom with us, not as a relic of the past, but as a living, breathing guide to a healthier, more harmonious life. If you found this journey through ancient remedies as fascinating as we did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more insights into historical mysteries and timeless wisdom right to your screen. Together, let's keep exploring the incredible stories and solutions that connect us to our past and inspire our future.